So, thanks for not being that good because I still have two games. So, we'll give it 2-0. Sorry, guys, I know this game is going to be 3-0. Very cool, Jesus. 3-6-0. We're still not doing it yet. I think it's going to be 3. 3. I'm still not good at this game. I'm going to 3-1. Goes into Monaco. Monaco did struggle against different teams, so this would be very close. I think both of them is going to beat Monaco 2-1. Juventus is Sporting 1-0 1. So 2-1. Maybe with Real Madrid 2-0 1-0 5-2. So whenever we play the home, the most likely more dangerous. But for this one, I'll give it Real Madrid since Real Madrid have covered the rest better. Olympiacos versus Olympiacos are a lot more dangerous in their home. They just have a lot more with them in their home. The KFC are just not that good in their KFC with Bayern Munich. Bayern Munich did win, but they're playing at home, so you can't really say that much about this team. 2-1. Tottenham versus Copenhagen. Tottenham may not be the best, but they're playing at home. How about this at home? This will be really close. I'm going 3-1. Pablo Villarreal. This game will be like 1-3. Clever vs Chelsea 4-0 6-0. 3-0. Lost. Maybe go 1-3-1. And figures by Leverkusen. This game will be lost. It should be a win for Benfica. 2-1. First visit is Barcelona. 1-4. 4-1. To Milan, the Skyrock. It can be like 4-0. Man City versus Dortmund 3. Man City Dortmund. I'm gonna give it a 3-1. Oh, 2-1. Now the last game. City's previous game was 2-1, 3-1. 2-0. Marseille versus Atlanta. This one's easy. 3-1. Newcastle Athletic Club. They haven't played each other, but it's at St. James Park, so you can't really do it. Found it to be an exciting game, but not exciting to win.